National Weather Service Forecast Office located on the grounds of Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. Station KWO35 broadcasts on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. Flood advisory in effect until 5 p.m. this afternoon. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of southeast New York, including the following counties: Bronx, Manhattan, and Queens. When? Until 5 p.m. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Water over roadways. Additional details: at 3:07 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.
Took you long enough, Christ.
Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Monmouth County until 4:45 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Holyoke, or 10 miles west of Long Branch, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Long Branch, Asbury Park, Middletown, Howell, Marlboro, Hidden Falls, Holyoke, Red Bank, Farmingdale, East Freehold, O'Barron, Collingwood Park, Lincroft, Morganville, Navesink, Eatontown, Freehold, West Long Branch, Rumson, and Little Silver. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 100 and 117. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Long Branch, Asbury Park, Middletown, Howell, Marlboro, Hidden Falls, Holyoke, Red Bank, Farmingdale, East Freehold, O'Barron, Collingwood Park, Lincroft, Morganville, Navesink, Eatontown, Freehold, West Long Branch, Rumson, Little Silver. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 100 and 117. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Monmouth, New Jersey.